Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today is a no-cook episode. I'm going to make you awesome summary recipes with 1-star ingredient, that is watermelon. Today I'm going to share with you 4 recipes. This will take less than 10 minutes to make and perfect for summers. And I'm going to give you some extra bonus tips. So stick on and watch the video until the end. Now look how I'm going to cut my watermelon. So now, how do you choose a watermelon? Look for the one that is firm, heavy for its size, free of any bruises and cuts. It should be creamy yellow on the side that sat on the ground as it grew. So let's get started. The first one is a mint flavored watermelon cola. This is perfect especially when you want something refreshing and healthy at the same time. To a blender, I'm adding some freshly cut watermelon cubes. To this, add a few mint leaves and blend until smooth. That's it. Your refreshing watermelon cooler is ready. Pour it into a glass and serve. Now let's move on to the second one. The second recipe is Agua Fresca, meaning fresh water. To a blender, add in some freshly cut watermelon cubes and enough water. Some lime juice and some sugar. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture through a strainer into a pitcher, forcing through most of the pulp. This is an optional step though. Alternatively, you can also just simply mash the fruit with a fork before adding the water and sweetener, and the rest of the process remains the same. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with some mint and fresh lime wedges. Pour it into a glass and serve. So now moving on to the third one, this is watermelon slush, a frozen healthy dessert. To a blender, add in some watermelon chunks and puree until smooth. Add lemon juice and sugar to the watermelon puree and mix. Transfer the watermelon mixture to a bowl. Cover and freeze until solid for about 8 to 10 hours. 2 to 3 hours before serving, move the bowl to the refrigerator to soften the mixture. In the last hour before serving, use a fork to break the softened mixture into shavings. Garnish with some mint and serve. So for this recipe, alternatively, you can also freeze watermelon chunks. Remove them when you want to make a slushie. Blend to a puree and then mix with lemon juice and sugar and serve. Coming to the last recipe, it is watermelon salad with my twist. I'm serving some watermelon mint salad sprinkled with some chaat masala in this beautifully carved watermelon rind. Trust me, nothing to beat this. You can go a step ahead and make mint ice cubes. It is as simple as putting fresh mint leaves and water in your ice cube tray for a few hours beforehand, and ta-da, you have those gorgeous looking mint ice cubes. So for all the recipes, adding a sweetener is optional, and adjust mint leaves and lemon juice to suit your taste. And you can also experiment with a combination of flavors. Adding a pinch of black salt gives that desi touch to any of these recipes. Trust me, that really tastes great. I also tried my hands on to do some simple carving to the watermelon. And an extra bonus for all those who are still here, watch me do a simple watermelon carving. That was it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed these recipes. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.